Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Puzzle Block. Oh, you guys did not see that, well, you guys could follow her if you guys want, but I'm saying, we're going to play, not that, Puzzle Box. Okay, we're back. That was just an ad. So we're going to play, just to connect the dots. There's different kinds of puzzles here that you could do. And they give you money. Well, not real money, but like, so you could get more actual games. But this is level 8, so this is kind of easy, I guess. There's this, this one, then this one, and 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 this one. Like, really easy. You guys go download the app. This is not sponsored, by the way. Wait, how do I do this? Oh, like this.
This is like lion. This is like lion.
Ooh, we got some coins. 199 coins. If you could see, guys, over here up top. Look on the top. But wait. That's where I get my coins. Wait. Okay, ad. Okay, the ad took forever. He's saying like for 3 minutes. Okay, so let's go back. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay, so we're back. So I was doing it because my mom told me to do it to her. So I was like, do this, and this, and then I forgot how to do this. So I did it. Good job. And these are like fun things because you could do that. Another ad. Okay, so back to what we were saying. You get to like do mostly a lot of things. Daily time, play a game for 22 minutes, watch a video, okay, make the game. So there's this one, different kind of shapes you could do. That's kind of hard. So you could go right here. You can actually do it. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this might go on the top. This too. What? Okay, so, my mom did not get me in trouble. You guys heard that? by the way, if you guys asked this game to take forever, like to, not that one, I'm talking about like it took for me forever to get used to this thing. Like the ads, it takes forever because it comes out like every minute. Oh wait, this is kind of hard. This is not gonna be it. Oh, I got it. Got it. So this one goes right here. This has to go on the top, so this one goes right here, and this one goes right here. Okay, get this. This is like an easy level. So now let's go to a different... Okay, it's gonna take for 3 minutes. Okay, finally. So let's go back on here, go home. And let's play Plumber. I hate this game. Like, it's so hard. Why not easy? Because it's telling me what to do. I'm on level 7. Okay, so this would go like this, and this would go like this, and this would go like, and this, and this, and this. Oh, okay, that's gonna be cool. Oh, this is kind of hard. Ooh, it's easy now. Okay. Okay, finally. So now let's go to this one. Do we have to do like all the plunges though? Okay, oh wait, no. Let's do it. Oh, there. Okay, so now we can go to a different, those are the 3 that you could unlock. This one to escape. So this one you just have to like, let them go. Now this one's kind of easy. Ugh. Like me and my parents used to play this game all the time. Okay, so this one, really just have to like go. And you can move that, like the person out of the way if you want to first, like, see like this. Okay, let's go on another one. There's blocks. So this one's like the one that you have to like do it all fine and everything. Oh, it's kind of hard, I guess. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, that one's easy. What? Can you like turn them around or something? Oh. So the pink one was supposed to go first. Okay. So this one would go right here, right here, right here, and this one right here. Oh, an ad. I knew it. Okay, that ad is kind of really long. This one, and then this one. What? Yeah, I did it. Okay, now let's go to the last game that we have. These are like if you get like coins to unlock it. So, how do you do it? That's kind of easy. That's really easy. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to undo this. Okay, undo. Okay, this is kind of hard actually. Okay, this one's hard. Regret it. So yeah. This is really fun game. You guys should download it. Really easy to do. Oh my god, it's clay. Okay, so yeah, you guys should get this game totally. This game that I'm like talking about, this one, the puzzle box. Fun one too, if you guys, but it has violence and drawing. I'm gonna do that for another video, guys. See you guys later. Peace or bye.